Alright, die gaat ons. So we're going to do the official brief, nee, regtig dat daar baie officialities is, nie. Somewhere there at the campsite. But the most important rule about convoy driving is that you are responsible for the vehicle behind you. So wherever ons draai, vir alles het 'n blinde draai is en jy kan nie die voertuig voor jou sien nie, don't continue driving until you've made sure that the vehicle behind you also made the turn. So gelukkig vandag is die pad redelik reguit. But just keep that in mind for future whenever you do convoy driving and you do take a turn off. It's always your responsibility to make sure the vehicle behind you follows. Can you please confirm with me which vehicle is right at the back now? Almost like to be at the back. Thank you kindly, sir. Just let me know when you start moving. Try again, Francois Cole will be at the back. Thank you. Just let me know when you also started moving, please. Will do. Okay, Francois, all vehicles are moving. Thank you, appreciate it. Okay, when we get to the culvert by the railway track, we turn left. En dan sien ons weer die eerste keer vanuit ons nou gaan begin ry. Dit is die railway track. Dit sal 'n bietjie gesels oor vandag. I think it's quite adequate that we start the day off with the first trivia question. So, my question is, Where in Africa do you find the longest railway tunnel? Waar in Afrika is die langste treinspoor tunnel? I've got 20, it's too much. Can I have less?
15.5.
I've got 15.5, 15.5. Can I have 15 points more?
15.7.
Okay. We're getting there, but not there yet.
18 kilometers.
15.9.
Vir mekaar, ek het 18 gehoor en dan het ek nog iets gehoor wat ek nie gehoor het nie.
17.
17.
I had 17, amper.
17.45.
Getting colder.
17.2.
17.3.
0.2.
Hotter but still cold.
15.5. Stop there.
Yo. Who was that?
Catherine.
Slim Janina, eh? Yes, 16.5. That's a Gau train. I think it's between Marlborough and Sandton, I think it is. Okay. Second trivia for the day. What was the main reason or motivation to build a railway line from Cape Town inland? Remember, this was now in the era of the Cape Colony under British rule, and they started to build a railway line.
You get the diamonds from Kimberley.
Eureka!
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I'm always worried when there's clever people in a group. Yes. So the railway line was built from Cape Town to Kimberley, and from there the rest of the railway system then developed. Hier was nou deur gaan 'n culvert aan die linkerkant. There's a small little house there or structure there on the right hand side. I'm not quite sure what that was for, but just opposite that on the left, just have a look at the masonry work. early 1870s, Sir John Maltino, he was the governor of the Cape Colony, and he gave the order that there needs to be a railway infrastructure, and the first target was, as we mentioned already, Kimberley, for the transportation of goods, equipment, personnel to Kimberley to establish that hub there, and then obviously, of course, for the transportation of the diamonds back down to Cape Town for export to, or transport to England.
So ek het daarom
The railway line that you see on our left-hand side, that's part of the original track built in 1870s, or completed 1877. But over the years, 1929, which is the next significant date in the history of the railway line, here and there, especially through the steeper sections, the track has been relayed to make way for newer technology and steam engines and things like that. But the majority of this section of track that we see today is the original 1877 track. More or less in the middle, just behind that, probably about 100 to 2 meters. Now they're running to the right hand side. Okay, and the trench that's in the middle of the road where I am now, this is waar hulle die kabels uitsteel. Ek wil sien daar's nog so oorblyfsels van die yster omhulsels van die kabels wat hier in die slote lê. So again, just take it nice and slow. It's a bit uneven and rough here. call.
Massive ditch this.
Send.
Left to
Will
the
you let
left.
Francois know
To
that
the left. To the left.
vehicles have stopped?
To the yeah.
Francois, call. Copy call, you can send. We've just got a little bit of a delay here. We've just stopped. Noel, I think, has got a problem with his eyes. So we just got a break at the moment.
Rechts. Links.
Okay, copy that. I'm just going to continue slowly on. And then we'll have a stop in front and wait for you.
Links.
Copy that.
No, there was other Jimnys in front of me, Noel's behind me, then it stopped.
Oh, links. Oops, net staan. Scary story, die.
You can't believe it, eh?
Yeah, oops. My goodness,
How far is it?
I don't know. Just go.
Okay, yeah, don't be scared. Sit to the back. Relax.
I want to see.
Where I am now,
Left,
directly
left.
on the right hand side, you'll see the
Right.
N1, the Hex River
Left.
path.
Just straight this
Dat
way.
dual carriageway. Klein stukkie wat jy so tussen die koppe deurkom kan sien.
Ja, kan jy, ek moet kyk
Links,
hier.
links.
Sonja kan nie helemaal links nie.
Okay. Okay. Een beetje links. Net stryd die stadig deur die dip. What a drive.
Okay, weer.
So this monument has been erected in honor of, how many people are there? People, a couple of soldiers who died during a train accident right here. So the train came down around the bend. This was obviously now pre the update of 1929. And then train accident, and how many are there? 10 of them that then died. See, I can't understand that. They were soldiers. It happened in 1914. That returned actually from German Southwest Africa during the First World War. So they went to fight the Germans in what is today Namibia. And they returned, they went to Hex River, and then something happened and they had to go back to Cape Town. Okay, so on the route back, they then had this accident. So they survived the First World War, but they didn't survive the train ride. And they were from a British Reserve Force regiment called the Kaffrarian Rifles. That's a very weird name, actually.
What was it?
Kaffrarian. Yeah. That regiment was established in 1878, 79. That regiment was established. Now, you must remember back in the day during the colonial era, you had obviously your permanent soldiers, which were all British soldiers. But then they established what is today known as the Reserve Force, which is your part-time soldiers. And they were the local people staying here. So there was a lot of Reserve Force units established in the country that was the backup to the regular soldiers, which were all British of nationality. Majority of those regiments established late 1800s are still there today. The oldest regiment in the country is Durban Regiment, established April 1855, and the second oldest is, it's got a new name now, Kaffrarian Rifles, also previously known as the Duke of Edinburgh's own volunteer rifles, established in November 1855. So I had the honor of serving in that regiment for a couple of years.
Duke of Edinburgh as in the Queen.
Yeah. So during their East London Transkei, as we knew it later on. But the British rule in the Cape Colony referred to it as British Kaffrarian. That region was known as British Kaffrarian, hence the name Kaffrarian Rifles. Okay, and then 1999, as I say, the name changed, and that name is still today. Okay. But as I say, this accident happened here. I'm going to ask you an interesting question about steam locomotives now. Let's see who's got the clever answer.
Come back.
The pita right there.
Yeah.
The Peter.
Yeah.
Basil?
Bess, come on. Here I am.
Copy, thank you.
Jägermeister for you.
Jeez, this is like a miracle. Thank you. Someone found it, so we're going to be on our way shortly. Thanks.
I never found anything. I don't know how I found this.
Baie dankie. Jy
That one's got yellow pins.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't know how I found it.
That was
But I did.
Baie dankie vir julle moeite en
Plezier. Ek is bly jy het dit gevind.
wat jy vraag oor die stoel.
quite a sharp little ditch that we have to fill up yesterday. Just make sure that your wheel placement is correct.
Dis Renate se kar het nou almekaar uit lou.
Twee keer.
Pak.
Het jy van daai kappel
Sinterkantse stories. Nee.
al daar weg. Hy laat hom nie heeltemal ingaan nie.
Is dit die probleem?
Ek gaan vir jou net maar wys.
Ja.
Want dit maar moet jy as jy in lou ingaan en indruk of
Ja,
iets
indruk en dan sal hy afgaan. Met daai kappelder gedagte ek net van hy verhoed daai laaste bietjie wat hom invat.
No wonder.
What are we having for lunch?
just leftovers from last night's braai and 2 rolls of cheese and tomato.
gonna drive through and then I'll call you guys on the radio.
hell of a mountain on
I'm
top
going
of
to,
us.
I'm going to switch off the light
Okay,
just to see what they can. Look how pitch dark is it.
sure.
Okay.
Imagine a train going through here.
Lost satellite reception.
maar kom. Beetje rechts, rechts. Nog een beetje rechts. Oké, nou. Kom niet reguit. Kom niet reguit. Beetje meer naar je rechterkant. Kom reguit.
Yeah.
I'm just a rolling stone. Keep me rolling on down the road. Don't know where I gotta be, but I know I gotta go. I'm just a rolling stone. Traveling in circles, asking the trees, why am I here? What do I need? Running up the mountain, listening to the breeze. It's burning my mind. Baby, I'm helpless. Baby, I'm blind. How can I cure what I can't define? I'm just a rolling stone. Keep me rolling on down the road. Don't know where I gotta be, but I know I gotta go. I'm just a rolling stone.
So what was the highlights for you this day? Of today?
I think everything. Just the people were so nice that we were.
I must say I've envisaged it totally different.
What did you
So
think?
you can watch YouTube videos, but it's not
the same if you don't do the trip or the trail.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. And I think also the history about everything. You don't realize how much history there is, and also what people did long before you were even here.
Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it is better together. My heart is full with the love that we show. When I'm with you, I swear I could live forever. Today was a good